In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off two-step verification on GoDaddy. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to simplify their login process by removing an extra layer of security once it's no longer needed. It's important to remember that while disabling two-step verification can make logging into your account easier and faster, doing so will also make your account slightly more vulnerable. So, make sure this is the right decision for you before proceeding. First, you'll want to navigate to the GoDaddy website and log into your account. If you're not already familiar, GoDaddy is a widely used domain registrar and web hosting company, providing services for millions of clients worldwide. By logging in, you'll gain access to your account dashboard where you can manage your settings, which is where we'll be making the change today. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll find your profile icon. Clicking this icon will open a drop-down menu which acts as a gateway to various account management options. From this menu, you're going to want to select the Account Settings option. This section is essentially the control panel for everything related to your account, allowing you to customize different facets of your online presence, security, and more. With Account Settings open, the next step is to click on Security. The Security tab contains all the vital information and options related to keeping your account safe and secure. Here is where you'll find what we're looking for: your two-step verification settings. In the Security section, look for the two-step verification. You'll find it listed as one of the key components of account protection. Locate the option associated with either your phone number or the Authenticator app that you initially set up for two-step verification. This would be under the section where you can modify or remove existing security methods. Beside your phone or Authenticator app, click the Remove button. Doing so will initiate a process to disable two-step verification for your account. This step is crucial as it directly influences the security status of your GoDaddy account. Once you click Remove, you will likely be prompted with a confirmation message or dialog box. You will need to confirm this decision to turn off the two-step verification by following the prompts. This final step essentially saves the changes you've just made, and once confirmed, it disables this additional verification process for your GoDaddy account logins. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you have successfully disabled two-step verification on your GoDaddy account. Remember, security is crucial, so if you ever decide you need that added layer of safety again, simply go through the enablement process to reactivate it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.